friends, welcome to DP Chennai. In this video, we will see one complete prelims SBI clerical paper. We will see 35 questions, which is very much important for your SBI clerical preliminary examination. So first 10 questions we will see about simplification. Then we will see 5 questions from missing number series. Then we will see 5 questions from quality question. Then we will see one set of DI, and then we will see remaining 10 questions from arithmetic. Right? So first one. 80% of 350 plus 45% of 800 is equal to question mark into 256. So 80% of 350. So first percent and double zero will go out. So 35 into 8, what is the answer? 280. Plus 45% of 800. Again percent and double zero will go out. What is 45 into 8? 360 is equal to question mark into 256. What is 280 plus 360? 640. 640 is equal to question mark into 256. We can cancel this number by 16. 16 40s are 16 ones are 16 9. 16 6s are 36, right? Then 16 2s are 32, 16 5s are. So my answer is nothing but 2.5, which is second option. Next one. 750 divided by 25 into 2.5 divided by 384 divided by 32 plus 0.5 into 2 is equal to question mark. So divide this number. How many times? 30. 30 into 2.5 is how much? 30 into 2.5 is 75 into 2 divided by. Divide this number. 32 12s are. So 12 plus 0.5 is 12.5. Right? So this is nothing but 150. Again add 10 divided by 25. 150 divided by 12.5, so this is 125 will come. Right? So 125 ones are 125 twos are. So my answer is 12, which is third option. So I hope you clear with the second question. Now we will see third one. 80% of 170 plus 75% of 216 minus 10 is equal to question mark into 6. So first percent and double zero will go. What is 17 8s are? 136 plus 75% of 216 is 50% plus 25% of 216. What is 50% of 216? 108. 25% is 54. 108 plus 54? 162. Minus 10 is equal to question mark into 6. 152 plus 136, how much? 288 is equal to question mark into 6. 6 4s are 24, 6 8s are. So my answer is 48, which is first option. Next one. Square root of 289 plus square root of 338 into 32 is equal to question mark plus square root of 121. This is 17. This I am writing it as 169 into 2 into 32. 169 if I take from square root, it is 30. This is 64. If I take, it will be 8. 13 8s are 104 is equal to question mark plus this is 11. 121 minus 11, what is the answer? 110. My answer is third option. So I hope you are clear with fourth one. Now we will see fifth one. 28 4 by 7 into 16 5 by 8 minus question mark is equal to 36 into 12 minus 8 4 by 7 into 2 1 by 3. What is 28 4 by 7? 28 into 7 is 196 plus 4 200 by 7 into what is 16 5 by 8? 133 by 8 minus x is equal to 36 into 12 is 72 into 6 432 minus what is 8 4 by 7? 60 by 7. What is 2 1 by 3? 7 by 3. 8 25s are 7 19s are. What is 25 into 19? How to multiply number by 25? Add 20, divide the number by 4. So 4 4s are 16, 4 7s are 475 minus x is equal to 7 7 will go, 3 20s are 432 minus 20 is 412. What is the value of x? 63. My answer is 63, which is second option. Next one. 25% of 480 plus 66 2 by 3% of 420 is equal to question mark plus 12.5% of 640. 25% of 480 is 1 by 4 of 480. How much? 120. 66 2 by 3%. What is fraction value? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 of 420. 280 is equal to x plus 12.5% fraction value is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 of 640 is 80. This is 303. This is how much? 400. 400 minus 80. What is the answer? 320. My answer is 320, which is second option. So I hope you are clear with sixth one. Now we'll see seventh one. Square root of 784 divided by cube root of 343 into square root of 625 minus cube root of 1728. All are related with square and cube. This is how much? 28. This is how much? 7. This is how much? 25. This is how much? 12 is equal to question mark. 7 4s are 4 into 25. 100. 100 minus 12. What is the answer? 88, which is fourth option. Next one. 19 square plus 34 square plus square root of 1024 is equal to 500% of question mark plus 27 square. 19 square is how much? 361. This is 1156. This is 32 is equal to 5x plus 729. Right? So first we need to add all the value, right? So 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 2 9, right? So 9 minus we can directly subtract also. 9 minus 9 is 0, right? Then 6 plus 5 11, 11 3 is 14, 14 minus 2 is how much? 12. This is 1 4 5 8, so this is 8 is equal to 5x. X is equal to how much? 5 16 80, 164, which is second option. So I hope you are clear with 8th one. Now we will see 9th one. 3454 plus 3564 plus 7777 divided by 1100. Add this value. This is 8, 11, 10, 7018 plus. This is how many times? 7 is 07. 7.07. 702.07. That is first option. Right? That is first option. Now we will see 10th one. 40% of 160 plus 20% of 70 plus 88.88% of 18 is equal to question mark. 40% of 160 is 64 plus 20% of 70 is 14 plus 88.88%. What is the fraction value? 11.11 is nothing but 1 by 9. So this is 8 by 9. 8 by 9 of 18. What is the answer? 16. 28. This is how much? 30 plus 64. What is the answer? 94, which is first option. So I hope you are clear with 10 simplification question. Now we will see 5 missing number series. First one, 25, 38, 63, question mark, 164, 265, right? Sum of the series logic. 25 plus 38, 63. 38 plus 63, what is the answer? 101. Next one. 4, 6, 15, question mark, 236.25, 1299.375 into 1.5 into 2.5. So this will be into 3.5. What is 15 into 3.5? 15 into 3, 45. 15 into 0.5, 7.5. 52.5. Right? Next one. 3, 4, 10, 33, 136 question mark. Into 1 plus 1. Into 2 plus 2. Into 3 plus 3. Into 4 plus 4. This will be into 5 plus 5. What is 136 into 5? 680 plus 5. 685. Next one. 7, 88, 152, 201, question mark, 262. Difference is how much? Plus 81. Difference is how much? Plus 64. Plus 9 square. Plus 8 square. Plus 7 square. plus 6 square. What is the answer? 237. Next one, 8, 6, 9, 23, 87, question mark. Into 1 minus 2, into 2 minus 3, into 3 minus 4, into 4 minus 5, into 6 minus 6, into 1, into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5. Right here it will be into 5. This is into 5 minus 5. Into 5 minus 6. 87 into 5 is 435 minus 6. 429. My answer is 429. So I hope you are clear with 5 missing numbers. Now we will see next 5 quadratic equations. So first one, x square minus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. Y square minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Minus plus is there, so root will be plus plus. This will be plus plus. 8 and 5, so you are having 5 and 3. 3 and 2 is there, so 2 and 1. Compare 5 and 2, 5 is greater, 5 and 1, 5 is greater, 3 and 2, 5, 3 is greater, 3 and 1, 3 is greater. So my answer is x greater than y. Next one, 2x plus 3y is equal to 14, 4x plus 2y is equal to 16. Here coefficient of x is 4, here coefficient of x is 2. So multiply this one by 2. So this is 4x plus 6y is equal to 28. 4x plus 2y is equal to 16. Subtract. So 4y is equal to 12, y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 you keep here. So this is 4x plus 6 is equal to 16. 4x is equal to 10. X is equal to 2.5. So what is my answer? X less than y. X less than y. So I hope you are clear with 17th one. Now we'll see 18th one. 2x square plus 11x minus 195 is equal to 0. 3y square plus 10y is minus 125 is equal to 0. When you observe here, both the constants are negative. Whenever both the constants are negative, what is the answer directly? C and D. My answer is C and D. Next one, x square plus 17x plus 52 is equal to 0. Y square plus 27y plus 182 is equal to 0. Plus plus, so root will be minus minus. Here also minus minus. So 17 you should get when you add, 52 when you multiply. So 13 fours are, so this is 13, this is minus 4. 27 you should get when you add, when you multiply 182, 13 and 14. Compare, equal, x greater, x greater, x greater. X greater than or equal to y. Next one, x square is equal to 81, y square is equal to 64. So x will be how much? 9 and minus 9. This is 8 and minus 8. Compare, x greater, y greater. So what is the answer? C and D. My answer is C and D. So I hope you are clear with quality question. Now we will see one set of DI. The below table gives the information about uneducated MLAs in assembly from 1986 to 2016. You have 1986, 1991, 1996, 2001, 2006, 2011, 2016. Corresponding values they have given you. So they are saying about 2011. 2011 what is the value? 80. 2016 what is the value? 32. 16 2s are 16 5s are. How much it has decreased? 3 by 5 into 100. What is the answer? 60%, which is third option. So I hope you are clear with 21. Now we'll see 22. In 2011, if total number of seats were 400, then in that year, what percentage of total number of MLAs were educated? This table is based upon uneducated, right? So 2011, what is the value? 80. So 80 by 400. So 1 by 5 people were uneducated. Remaining is 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 into 100. What is the answer? 80%, which is second option. So next one, 23. Find total number of uneducated MLA from the year 1986 to 2016. So we need to add all the value. Add all the value. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 15 plus 2, 17 plus 2, 19. 3 plus 1, 4, 12, 16, 24, 33, 34. 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1049 is my answer. Third option, directly. So next one, 24th one. In 2001, 36% of total number of MLAs were uneducated. Then find the total number of MLAs who were educated. 2001, what is the value? 180. So 36 part is 180. Out of 100, if 36% were uneducated, so remaining 64 will be educated. This is 5 times. This is also 5 times. What is the answer? 320, which is third option. So now we'll see last question of this DI. Find the percentage decrease in number of uneducated MLA in the state from 1986 to 2001. 1986, what is the value? 270. 2001, what is the value? 180. How much it has decreased? 37 divided by 217 into 100. Approximately your answer will come. Make this number as 40. This is 220 into 100. 0 0 gone. 2 2s are 2 11s are. 1 by 11 is nothing but 9.09. So into 2 is 18.18. So nearest number is nothing but how much? 17. Because we have taken more than 37. So my answer will be less than 18, which is 17. Second option. So I hope you are clear with DI. Now we will see 10 questions from arithmetic, right? Very important one. Ashok decided to donate 12% of his monthly salary, but on the day of donation he changed his mind and donated rupees 193.2, which was 30% less than what he decided earlier. Find Ashok monthly salary. No need to keep 100 and all, direct in a single line. I am saying that Ashok max salary is X. He decided 12%. But he changed his mind and donated 30% less, so 70 by 100 is equal to 193.2 in a single line, right? 0 0 gone. First cancel this number by 12. 12 16s are 192. 1s are 12. 1s are 7. 2s are 14. 3s are 16.1 will come. This is 16.1 will come. Okay. This is 16.1 will come. Again 7 3s are 7 2s are 14, so 2.3 will come, right? So 2.3 into 100, what is the answer? 2300. 2.3 into 1000 is 2300, which is fourth option. My answer is fourth option. So I hope you are clear with 26. Now we'll see 27th one. The ratio of milk and water in a solution is 5:3. If 20 liters of water is added in solution and the quantity of milk becomes half of quantity of solution, find the quantity of milk in the initial solution. What is initial ratio? 5:3. This is milk, this is water. Now when they add 20 liters of water, what is the ratio? Milk becomes half. So milk and water will be half. So 1:1. What they are adding? Water they are adding. So milk part should be same. Milk part is 5, milk part is 1. Make it same. So this is 5:5. How much water we have added? 2. So 2 part, how much they have added? 20. 1 part is 10. Now what they are asking? Find the quantity of milk in the initial solution. So 5 part is how much? 50 liter, which is second option. So I hope you clear with 27th one. Now we'll see 28th one. 12 buckets water fill a tank when the capacity of each bucket is 13.5 liter. How many buckets will be needed to fill the same tank if the capacity of each bucket is 9 liter? Chain rule concept. So 12 bucket of water fill a tank when the capacity is 13.5. Now they need how many buckets to fill it? 9 liter. So 9 1.5. 1.5 into 12, what is the answer? 18 liter. My answer is second option. So I hope you are clear with 28th one. Now we'll see 29th one. A trader marked the price of his goods 20% more than cost price. He sells 1/4 of his stock at a discount of 10% and half of the stock at the mark price and rest at a discount of 25%, find this profit percentage. I am saying that CP, initial CP is 100. He is marking it up by 20%. So mark price will be how much? 120. Now I am writing selling price here. Now they are saying that 1/4 of his stock at a discount of 15%. What is 1/4 of 120? 30, 10% discount is there. That means 3 we have to subtract. So this is 27. Half of the stock, 60 at 60 only. So remaining is 30. 30 at 25%. What is 25% of 30? That means how much we have to subtract? 7.5. This is 22.5. Add all the value. 109.5. Total SP is 109.5. Total CP is 100. How much it has increased? 9.5%. My answer is 9.5%, which is third option. So now we'll see question number 30. A and B can do a piece of work in 6 days, while B and C can do the same work in 10 days. While C takes twice the number of days to do the same piece of work than that of A. In how many days A alone can do the work, right? A and B can do a work in 6 days, B and C 10 days. Efficiency 30, this is 5, this is 3. When you subtract here, so A minus C will be how much? 2. Efficiency difference of A minus C is 2. Then they are saying that C takes twice the number of days to do the same piece of work than that of A. When number of days of C is twice, efficiency will be half. So C by A, efficiency will be how much? If A is 2, C will be 1. A minus C difference is 1, A minus C difference is 2. So multiply this one by 2, this one by 2, this is 2 by 4. Now difference is 2. So A efficiency is 4. In how many days A alone can do the work? Work is 30. 30 by 4, what is the answer? 7.5 days. My answer is 7.5 days, which is second. So I hope you clear with 30. Now we'll see 31. If length of rectangle is increased by 66.66% and breadth is decreased by 20%, find the percentage change in the area of rectangle. 66.26%, what is the fraction value? 2 by 3. That means if initial length is 3, now it has increased, so it is 5. 20%, what is fraction value? 1 by 5. Initial breadth is 5, now it is 4. 5 and 5 is cancelled. This is 3, this is 4. How much it has increased? 1. 1 by 3 into 100. What is the answer? 33.133%. First option is the answer. So I hope you clear with 31. Now we'll see 32. If 70% of students in a school are boys and number of girls is 504, find the number of boys in the school. 70% of students are boys, remaining 30% is girls, and girls they have given you. So 30 part is 504. Number of boys, so 70 part is how much? This is gone. 3 16s are 48, 3 8s are 61176 is the answer. Second option is the answer. Now we see question number 33. In how many years will a sum of money become twice at 10% per annum simple interest? Right, so I am writing here principal and writing here amount. I am saying that the principal is 1, it has become twice, so amount will be 2. So SI will be how much? 1. So SI is P R T divided by 100. So what is the answer? 10 years, which is first option. So now we will see 34th one. A man sold an article at 10% gain. If he had taken rupees 45 more, the gain would have been 25%. Find his cost price. I am saying that initial cost price is 100. Now gain is 10%. So selling price will be 110. If he had taken rupees 45 more, the gain would have been 25%. CP is same 100, but here gain is how much? 25%. So this is 125. Here how much extra is there in selling price? 15. 15 part is 45. So 100 part they are asking because CP is 100. 300. My answer is 300 rupees. Second option. So now we will see question number 35. Last question. Average of 14 quantities is 22 and average of 36 quantities is 25. Find the average of all 50 quantities. Right? We will see weighted average concept directly here. Quantity is 14. Average is 22. Quantity is 36. Average is 25. Right? So quantity we can cancel. 2 7s are 2 18s are. N1 A1 plus N2 A2 divided by N1 plus N2. 22 into 7 154 plus 25 into 18 18 into 5 90 90 into 5 450 divided by N1 plus N2 18 plus 7 25. This is how much? 406 divided by 25. 25 2s are 50, 4s are 100, 1s are 6 are 24.16 is the answer, which is third option. So I hope I have solved all 35 questions in front of you in this particular video. We have seen missing number series, we have seen simplification, we have seen quality equation, we have seen DI, and we have seen arithmetic questions. So how you like this video? Please do comment in the comment section of this video, and do subscribe TP Chennai YouTube channel for further updates and videos, and share this video among your friends in Telegram, Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp. So thanks a lot. Prepare well. All the best.